Ngayon guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng second and third birthday gift from my husband. This is the second one and that's the third one is in the garage. So this we're gonna unboxing this one, guys. Yan na guys! Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ito. I really don't have an idea what is this. Huh? Look at that, guys, what is this? Ang bigat ng ano, maganda yung ano niya pa niya. Ano siya, space, ano siya, olive tree. Pero maganda siya, guys. Look at that. So, yan guys, i-continue natin itong buuin pa natin to guys. Hindi ko talaga alam guys, nag-order siya ng ganito. Wala, may nagkahulog man yung olives. May olives man doon na nahulog. Mag-assemble tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito banda eh. May number yata ito. Teka lang. Guys, number 4. May mga number siya guys. So, madali mo siyang sundin kung saan siya banda. Yan. Yan na, natapos na natin yung isa. Nakita nyo guys, yan may mga number siya. Number 3, hanapin mo lang yung number 3 dito. Number 2. Number 1. Nasa number 3 dito. Ayan yung number 3. Then, number 2. Number 2. Where's the number 2? Right here. Number 1. Right here. Number 4 is right here. O diba guys, ang cute. Tapos na siya. Ayan na po guys yung ating finished product. Olive trees. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay yan. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.